Please subscribe Blacky Tech channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notification.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Blacky Tech, and I'm Raj, and today we're gonna do unboxing of a new phone. So if you remember, last time I did a unboxing of OnePlus 5T, which was a flagship phone that time, and so today we're gonna do a new phone which is new flagship. If you remember, this is Poco X2, which is just launched, and I buy this from Flipkart, and it's cost me around 17,000 rupees. So just let's get started and do the unboxing and see what we are getting inside this box. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. So here we have some packaging, and it's look like it's a silicone case. The quality of this silicone case looks like a good one, and seriously, Poco has given a good silicone case on this phone. So after the case we have a phone. So finally we have the Poco X2 here. The phone is pretty much heavy. The quality of this phone is really awesome. It's look like a great phone, and you can see it's made up of full metal. And yeah, let's keep the phone aside and see what extra we are getting in this box. So here we have a fast charger. It's really a fast charger for this phone. The charger is also heavy, and I can feel the weight of this charger. The build quality of this cable is really good. Let's do the first booting of this phone. Let me take some sample footage from this phone. Let me shoot some 4K videos and take some selfies and photos from this phone, and I'll show you how it's look like. So guys, now I'm recording a video from the front cameras. You can see the quality of this video, and it's really amazing. The quality is really good, and you won't see in this video, but it's totally dark, and even the camera is capturing me so good. I'm really impressed with the camera, and you can see the quality is really awesome. The sunset is already almost done. It's just 5-10 minutes more, then it's gonna be dark, but still you can see the video is so good. I'm really impressed with the front camera. Let me shoot some videos from the back camera. So guys, now you can see I'm recording a 4K video from the back camera, and you can see the quality, and it's almost 7 o'clock, and after 5 to 10 minutes it's gonna be whole dark, and you can see how the camera is capturing. You can see the color saturation of this camera is pretty much good. Let me take some macro shot in this video. Now let me focus on this camera. You can see how it's focusing. You won't believe it's 7 o'clock in the evening, but the quality and the clarity of this camera is really good. I'm really impressed with the quality of this camera. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this unboxing and camera review of this phone, then please do share, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.
Please subscribe Blacky Tech channel, hit the bell icon to receive the notification.